Hello Maaartsy, this is Mrs. B. Welcome to Umaarteng Penmanship. In this video, I will show you 4 tips to improve your calligraphy. If you are ready, let's get started. Tip number 1. Don't rush when you write. Take time and write slowly. Calligraphy is different from handwriting. You have to be mindful of your basic strokes. In this video, I am showing you how I do calligraphy in doing fast calligraphy. So it's a no-no. You should write slowly. Okay, I will write it again slowly for you. Because if you write fast, you are not careful of your basic strokes. As you can see, there are a lot of differences from the first word that I wrote than to this one. Now I am writing the same word again, but this time I am writing a little more slower, and I put a little flourish with the L, and I would do also a little flourish with the Y. As you write slowly, you can make it beautiful, because you cannot do a beautiful calligraphy if you're writing fast. So remember to slow down a bit, lift your arm, lift your pen from your table so that you can make a beautiful calligraphy. Tip number 2. Practice every day. I'm showing you just a page of my work that I wrote this actually several times. It's because some of the words I have misspelled. It happens a lot that you may be able to misspell some words, but it's okay. Alright, so I'll show you my journal that yes, this is the month of July. Okay, that I did just like that I did the month of it. The good thing about journaling is that you can also practice writing the month of the year. You can also practice every day what you are doing. Okay, so here another part of my journal about prayer and fasting. Most of it I make normal handwriting, but of course I did some calligraphy as well. You can practice writing your favorite verses, your favorite quotes. You could practice every day by writing in your journal, so you would see how you improved. There you go. Next, I will show you some of my work that I did. It would be names of my friends, Bible verses, quotes, also a lyric of a song. You could do the same. You keep on practicing every day. Having a journal is a good way to get started, because you can force yourself to do it every day and make a commitment to do it every day. Tip number 3. Practice using any paper that has lines. It's very important. My favorite practice notebook is Corona Math Notebook because it has grids. It's easy to practice on this notebook. The texture is very smooth and your brush will easily glide into it. In my blank journal, I took off one sheet of my math notebook and I put it as a guide because it's totally blank. It doesn't have any lines, so I put it as a guide. Now I will be showing you my dotted notebook that I bought, I guess, 2 years ago. I use this dotted notebook for practicing. If I buy a new pen, I practice it here. Most of the time, yeah, I use it with my Pigma pen or any pen that I bought or I tried. This is a very tiny notebook that I can easily put it into my pouch and I bring it everywhere. So if I'm waiting for someone, I practice writing. Dotted journal also helped me with my basic strokes. The wheel that you can see there, it's actually the calligraphy of my son, my eldest son. He also did calligraphy. Okay, that's it. It's very nice. I also practice it with different pens, and it's dotted. It doesn't have any lines. You could use it for practicing in different sizes of your letters. If you can see, I wrote short short words, long words. There, I use this really for practicing. It's good. It's a bit expensive though, but you can also buy a different brand that is a little bit cheaper. Vecco, it's a good one. This huge notebook is a simple line notebook. If you have any line notebook like this, you could also use that. If you could see, I use this for actually this is for my homeschooling, and I do calligraphy on our notes. See that you could do that as well, and any light notebook will do. Even if you have an old notebook with you, you could use that as long as it has lines, it has grids, or it's dotted. Tip number 4, get an inspiration. Here I will show you some work of different artists on Pinterest. You can see different fonts of different artists, layouts, also real-time calligraphy or quick videos about how artists write their letters. You could also see the same in IGTV. You could check it out. But I'm just showing you what you can see because there's actually a lot on Pinterest. If you like something, you could pin it, so you could go back to it or save it. You could make it as an inspiration. You could make your own version, but yeah, I suggest make your own version, not just copy how what the artist actually did. Okay, here on Instagram, you could just key in hashtag calligraphy. You could also check hashtag modern calligraphy or brush calligraphy or modern brush calligraphy. You will see a lot of different fonts, styles, and works of different artists. I showed you both Pinterest and Instagram because not all of the artists have the same platform at the same time. And so there you could check on it. You will also see different calligraphy from different countries, different languages. Well, not everything on Pinterest or on Instagram. So I suggest you could check both of the platforms because in both of the platforms you could get more inspiration. You can get more ideas how the artist can actually write, or how the artists um, do their layouts for the work. You can get inspiration there. Here is a passion profile of the calligrapher that I follow. It's Suzanne Cunningham. I'm not sure if I can actually show her profile, but she is a master of flourishing. She's making invitations for weddings and envelopes for weddings, but she is awesome. This is some profile of Seb Lester. He is a master calligrapher as well. He uses black letter and master of flourishing as well. He also makes calligraphy, handwritten calligraphy of different brands. He is really awesome. You can check his Instagram as well. I'm not sure if he has Pinterest. This is my profile. Okay, so you could check me out on Instagram. You could send me a message as well. There, I'm just showing you my profile, how it looks like. Hope you could follow me. That is our 4 tips how to improve your calligraphy. Number 1 is to write slowly. Number 2 is to practice every day. Number 3 is to practice on any paper with lines. And number 4, get an inspiration. Please hit like if you like this video. Also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be updated to my latest uploads. Remember that practice makes perfect and perfect makes permanent, so keep on practicing, keep on writing. Have a great day.